Yo, what's up? How y'all have doing? Hope you're having a good day. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, that's further out. If you want to, if you don't want to, hey, that's up to you. Now, first thing I gotta say, upgrading the CISS to the new CISS, huge difference. Boy, it makes a difference. Your CISS makes a difference, and I gotta make a video about that. Yesterday I printed, but because I don't print every day, I haven't printed every day in almost in months. It's months since I've actually printed every day. It's been like 5-6 days. 4 or 5. It's not 6. 4 or 5 days before I print anything. It's been months since I've been doing that. Yesterday was the first time I actually printed 2 days back to back. Yesterday, and one head clean, and this is what I got. It came out like that. The first head clean. I didn't do anything else, just the head clean, nozzle check, and that's what I got. First check. Alright. So your CISS makes a difference. Boy, I tell you. Now, this video is about sealing your CISS, the upgraded CISS. Putting a cap in the CISS. Alright, so if you can see, there's a cap, there's a hole. See that little white piece in there? There's a seal in here. I put a seal in it. You might be able to see it better in the yellow. I don't know why I grabbed the blue. There it is. Here it is. See, that's the seal. I actually put a seal in there. So when I put my CISS up for the night, I can actually airtight I can airtight my CISS so the ink don't flow back into the printer. All right, that's what I put in here. That's what that white thing on the bottom is. Now, I tried 3 different things and I couldn't get one to work properly, and I finally found one that actually works. That's what that is. All right, and what it is real simple. It's RV roof seal. You can buy any one. This is like $12. If you can find smaller one, go for it. But I couldn't find a smaller one. This is the smallest one I found. And if the manufacturer for these things, for the CISS, ever want to get a sealing for their CISS, get some of this stuff. This was like $12. And you can seal God knows how many of these freaking things with this. And the price of the CISS shouldn't go up, not even a penny. You understand me? This, you use so little of it, it's ridiculous. Okay? When I say a little, I mean a very tiny bit of it. You barely put anything in the cap. And then when you put it in the cap, what it does is self-levels. So it's come out very liquidy. It'll come out very liquidy. So you put it in the cap, and then you take the cap and you smack it. So let me show you. Give me a second. I gotta set myself up. All right. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take the bottle. All right. You're gonna take the bottle like this. Then you're gonna pour. When I say a tiny bit of this stuff, people, I'm not bullshitting. It takes just a tiny bit of this. I think this one, it's probably all gummed up now. I don't have the tool. I don't know where my tool is. I have one somewhere and I'm not looking for it. But it used so little of it, you can literally probably use your hand and just get it out. Okay, so I have to unplug this. Give me a second. Again, hold on. All right, so I got this back again. Let me see if I can get this unplugged. I want to try to push this out of here. I don't have the tool. So I'm going to try to get this out of here. And I'm trying to use my hand, and it's extremely hard to push because I don't have the right tools. So you got to give me a minute to get it out. I'm using stuff I'm not supposed to be using. So let me see if I can get it out. There it goes. Ah. There it comes. See, it comes out very liquidy. When I say don't take much, it don't take much at all. So just give me a minute, I'll get enough of it out of here. And I'll show you, it really don't take much. Oh, I'm getting it everywhere. Good thing it don't dry quick either. It takes like 24 hours to cure. I don't have the right tool. If you're gonna get this, make sure you get the tool. Save yourself the headache. But if you're like me, you're only gonna use it like once. You really don't need the tool. So, let me clean this up. Like I said, it doesn't cure very quick. And that's pretty much all you need. That's all you need right there. That's it. That's all it needs. That tiny little bit. You're gonna take it, you're gonna do this with it. See what's happening? It's gonna go right into the corners. See that? I might need a little bit more because this cap is bigger than the ones over there. So I might need a little tiny bit more, but not much. So let me put a little more in here. You don't want to put too much in here because if you put too much in here, then you end up with a different kind of problem, and that's what you don't want. All right, so you want it to be just enough. You want to make sure you're putting just the amount you need. All right, this is not moving because it has something else in here. I'm just trying to use it as cap because, well, I have it. But see that? See it's moving now? And you're just going to do this to it. All you're trying to do is get a nice even coat on the bottom. And that's it. See that? And that's all the amount you need. You don't need any more than this. Then you're going to put it flat. Try to get it as level as you can, if you can even get it level. As you can see, it just moves around. Just get it level, put it somewhere, something flat and level, and leave it like that for 24 hours. And that's it. That's all you have to do to that thing. That's it there for 24 hours. And that's all the amount you use of this. This is what I'm saying. If you can get a small, that's all you use of this. If you can get a smaller bottle of this, get it, because you don't need not even remotely this much. All right, and that's all you need to seal the caps. That's all you need to seal these caps. As you can see, every last one of them have my sealing in there, see them? All of them have a seal in there. So that's all you need to seal your caps on your CISS. That's all you need. Now, this is what it's going to look like when it's dry, when it's cured. So I already did cure some, and I peel it out so you can see it. That's what it looks like, and it creates a nice rubber seal. Won't come off. Won't come out. That's what you make. This is what you're making. All right, by doing that, what I did over there. Now. That's how you seal it. And I'm telling you, upgrade your CISS, seal it, and you will have pronounced like this. First time you do a nozzle check. All right. Till next time, peace.